In this tutorial, we will program the FPGA with the full adder design that we created using SystemVerilog and simulated in ModelSim in the previous 3 tutorials. So as a reminder, here is the folder that we created on the C drive, lab 1, and this is the QPF file that will open the project in Quartz. Now we're going to go to Tools, Programmer, and this opens up the programmer. You have to make sure at this point, you have to make sure that the board is connected and turned on so that you have the DSOC USB 1 is detected. If it's not, and this is grayed out, it means that your board is not connected. Also, even if it's connected, sometimes this shows up here as no hardware. So I'm gonna assume that initially this shows up as no hardware. So in this case, you need to click Hardware Setup and then choose the GESOC and close. Okay. And then sometimes also nothing shows up here under the files, or as you see, an output file is already being detected. Either way, you can follow the same steps. So what you need to do is you need to push Auto Detect, and this brings this menu, and you need to choose the 5C SEMAS MA5, and then OK. So again, it depends on whether a file was showing in the first place or not. You may or may not get this warning. So we're gonna just push yes. And here, now we have 2 options. So we go to the 5CSEMA5 and click, and then we need to change the file. Make sure this is the correct directory, and then we're going to double click on Output Files, and we're choosing de1soc.sof. Open, and then the start here is grayed out because you need to check this program configure, and then when you click start, you have 100% successful, and this programs the FPGA, and now you can test your full adder on the FPGA.